Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you on how to cook vegan adobo fried rice. Come on, I will show you how. And these are the ingredients that I am going to use for our vegan adobo fried rice. We will be using 2 cups of leftover jasmine rice, soy sauce, bay leaves, onion, garlic, black pepper, vegetable cooking oil, vinegar, and that's all the ingredients that we are about to use for our vegan adobo fried rice. Okay? So we preheated 3 tablespoons of cooking oil over here, vegetable cooking oil. We're gonna add our garlic, 1/2 cup of garlic, and then we're gonna cook this until it turns golden brown. So it's golden brown now. Then we can add our onion, we're gonna stir it up until the onion changes color. So our onion is ready. We can add our soy sauce. This is 1/4, but I'm not gonna add everything in here. I'm just gonna do 1/2 first. Then I go from there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add our vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then we're gonna add our bay leaves, 4 pieces of bay leaves. Right now smell like adobo without meat. So we're gonna go ahead and add our rice. So we're gonna stir it up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our black pepper. At this point, we're gonna taste the salt. Well, actually, I did not add no salt in it, just soy sauce. So let me taste it. We're gonna add a dash of salt. I'm not gonna add any more soy sauce because if you do, it's gonna be so soggy and wet. So you can add salt, but it depends on how much rice you're making. Okay? But if you have a lot of rice, it's okay, but this is only 2 cups of rice. So if you add more liquid, it's gonna be soggy. So this is done. We're gonna put it in the bowl. I can't wait. So this is how I cook my vegan adobo fried rice. It is very, very good. Well, you can garnish it if you like. You can garnish it with sesame seeds or green onion, but for me this is just perfect. Okay, so I'm not gonna garnish anything. It's just so delicious. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.